Yeah, so I was shopping at Lowe's. I go digging through one of the bays. A bunch of metal rods that were on top of me were not strapped in, and they came down on my head and on my neck area. I decided to get checked out. They told me, you likely suffered a concussion. Start getting you some treatment on your neck, and then, that's when I called Attorney Anton. I did a Google search. I was looking up, anytime I look at a new, even a restaurant or anything that I'm gonna try, I go off Google searches, I go off reviews and see exactly how other people have felt with their experience. So, especially with a situation like this, it's much more important than just a restaurant. I did a search, I saw that a lot of people were happy working with Brooks. I didn't see anybody that was unhappy, so I decided to give a call. They immediately picked up the call, immediately, answered any questions that I have, and then we were off from there. So. I've had a wonderful experience. Attorney Anton's been extremely persistent, also has been extremely patient as well. Even, this took over a year to kind of go through, but he's been honest and helpful, and even Lanchie's been extremely helpful as well. She's always responded to me almost every time within 10 minutes of a message or a call. So I've had nothing but great experience. This is my first time in this office meeting everybody face to face, and I've had a great experience too. So. Absolutely. Yeah, I would absolutely refer Brooks Law Group to a loved one. Anybody who doesn't, especially if you don't have any help or direction on what to do in a situation similar to mine, any accident that occurs, definitely refer them to Brooks Law Group. That's the first call that I would make. And then same thing with me. Hopefully none of these situations come up again, but if it were to come up again, I already know who I would call. I would have no need to do any Google searches. So.